Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Swati Pandey, faculty in EX department, SIRT Bhopal. In my today's experiential learning video, I am telling about the voltage ratio test of single phase transformer. So let us start. Firstly, I want to give the information about what is the transformer. So all of you, first you have to know what is transformer. So transformer is a static device which transfers AC power from one circuit to another circuit without change in frequency. I mean to say that एक ट्रांसफॉर्मर एक स्टैटिक डिवाइस है जो आपके एसी पावर को ट्रांसफर कर रहा है एक सर्किट से दूसरे सर्किट में और उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आते हैं। फ्रीक्वेंसी उसकी जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे फ्रीक्वेंसी है दैट इज एंडिंग पॉइंट पे भी आपकी वही फ्रीक्वेंसी आपकी रहेगी। अब प्रैक्टिकली ट्रांसफॉर्मर दिखता कैसा है, ये आपका यहाँ पर ये ट्रांसफॉर्मर रखा हुआ है, ये आप इस ट्रांसफॉर्मर को देख पा रहे हैं। ये ट्रांसफॉर्मर है, अगर मैं इसे ओपन कर दूँ तो ये ओपन करने के बाद आपको ये बीच वाला जो पार्ट दिख रहा है इसे हम ट्रांसफॉर्मर की कोर बोलते हैं। यहाँ पर ये जो इस तरफ दिख रही है ये आपकी प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग है एंड दिस इज योर सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग। बोथ वाइंडिंग्स आर displayed here and according to this we have 2 points at the outer side. These points reflect the points of primary winding and these 2 points reflect the point of secondary winding, and this is your variac. Due to this you will give the supply to the transformer. If your supply from the supply side is coming 230 volt, then it will reflect here. So in the variac, firstly we will connect the voltmeter V1 from the supply side, and now we will connect the voltmeter V2 at the secondary side. These 2 voltmeter are connected here, in which why we do the voltage ratio test. We do the voltage ratio test for finding the number of turns. We don't know we can not calculate the number of turns manually. We will have to see by this reading also. Okay. So let us start. Now we can switch on the device. The device is switched on and we will give the supply from the variac here. You can see in the voltmeter, that is you are seeing here. Now you can see if you are giving here the supply 200 volt, then in the voltmeter V2 at the secondary side it also coming the 200 volt. It means the number of turns in the primary and the secondary side is equal. If the number of turns here is 200, then the output side also is 200 volt. This will reflect the turn ratio 1:1. That is okay. And again, if you can now put it on 0, and if you change the tapping here, these 4 points reflect the tapping. If you are changing the tapping, then you can connect the wire here and now you will give the supply. Now you can see that is, you are seeing here that the voltage is 200 volt because the point is connected at the 300 side. So you will read the reading just double. Okay, because we have the 2.150 and 300, so point the connected is 300, so you will read the reading at double. So 100 is reflecting 200. Here is 200. Now you can see here is only 100. So this will reflect that if the number of turns will be changed by the tapping, then you can see at the output side the ratio is 1:2. This is the ratio test for the single phase transformer. So thank you everyone.